Imagine a future where doctors don't just prescribe pills. They prescribe food, fermented foods, fiber-rich meals, diets designed not just for you, but for the trillions of microscopic lives inside you. Imagine sitting down for dinner, not only thinking about taste or calories, but about nurturing an entire unseen ecosystem living within your body. What if your energy, your mood, even how long you live, depends on how well you feed these invisible tenants? Now ask yourself something honest. Have you ever eaten clean, followed all the rules, avoided junk food, yet still felt tired, bloated, unfocused, or just off? What if the problem isn't your discipline, but the way we were taught to think about food? For decades, nutrition focused on you alone: calories, vitamins, fats, proteins. But science is now revealing a deeper truth. You are not eating for one body. You are eating for an entire internal civilization. Inside your gut lives a vast community known as the gut microbiome. Trillions of bacteria, fungi, and viruses weighing nearly as much as your brain. This isn't science fiction. This is biology. These microbes help digest food you can't digest on your own. They produce vitamins. They train your immune system. They communicate with your brain. In fact, many of the chemicals that affect your mood, like serotonin, are influenced by gut microbes. So when we say gut feeling, it's not just a metaphor. Over the last decade, science has gone through a quiet revolution. Nutrition is no longer just about what you eat. It's about who you are feeding. This changes everything. Because when your gut microbes are balanced and diverse, your digestion improves, your immunity strengthens, your metabolism becomes more efficient, and even your mental clarity can improve. But when this ecosystem is damaged by ultra-processed food, chronic stress, poor sleep, or unnecessary antibiotics, the effects ripple through your entire body. This is where the idea of the microbe diet comes in. Eating for your microbes doesn't mean extreme rules or expensive supplements. It means understanding what these tiny organisms thrive on. First, prebiotics. These are fibers and plant compounds that you don't digest, but your microbes love. Foods like whole grains, lentils, beans, bananas, onions, garlic, and vegetables. Especially resistant starches and diverse plant fibers. Second, probiotics. These are live beneficial microbes found in fermented foods, like yogurt, kefir, kimchi, sauerkraut, and traditional fermented foods across cultures. And here's the myth to break. More restriction does not mean better gut health. Highly restrictive diets may starve microbial diversity. Your gut prefers variety, not perfection. Different microbes thrive on different foods. The more diverse your diet, the more resilient your internal ecosystem becomes. But food isn't the whole story. Your microbiome is shaped by how you live. Chronic stress alters gut bacteria. Poor sleep disrupts microbial rhythms. Regular movement improves microbial diversity. Even exposure to nature, soil, plants, animals, can enrich your microbiome. We live in one of the cleanest eras in human history, but sometimes too clean. Looking ahead, this science is reshaping the future. At-home microbiome testing is becoming more common. Personalized nutrition plans are being built around individual microbial profiles. Researchers are exploring targeted microbial therapies and even microbiome transplants. Food itself is evolving. Precision fermentation, lab-designed prebiotics, AI-driven nutrition plans tailored to your biology. The future of food isn't just on your plate. It's inside you. And this shift isn't just about individual health. It's about sustainability, longevity, and rethinking how humans coexist with the microbial world that made life possible in the first place. So here's the real takeaway. You are not just a human being. You are an ecosystem. When you eat, you are casting a vote, for which microbes survive, which ones thrive, and how your body functions tomorrow. Start small. Eat more whole foods. Add fermented foods. Embrace diversity. Respect the invisible world within you. Because the future of health is not about fighting microbes. It's about living in harmony with them.